Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. As I talk, our work on the milling project is ongoing. Everything is really good. We are progressing at a very good speed. So I'm so happy with all the people who have supported us since we started dreaming this project. We started talking about it. Right now, it is becoming a reality. And this has been possible because of our kind-hearted followers from around the world who have done everything possible to make sure that everything moves on smoothly. The truth is, you make my work very simple. So as I talk, we are standing at around 80% of our crowdfunding, and that is where our work is also standing. We are, I think, at around 70 to 80% of the work, and we needed to complete it in time such that we can focus on other things. Otherwise, I'm so happy with everything. Thank you very much for the support. May God bless you all. See you in the next video.
Faithful through the ages, God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven you do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting, same hour.